Hi, my name is Miriam Llano and I'm the Regional Marketing Manager for Cosentino. When we thought about the partner that we wanted for this specific collaboration, we actually couldn't think of a better partner than Brand Creative because their concepts are always so out of the box and we really wanted something disruptive and different for Index this year. They really understand, because of their background and their actual activity, they really understand brands. The concept is super attractive, and I believe one of the main points is because it's very interactive with the visitor. It has 5 elements that for us are very important, are very educational in terms of sustainability, and it really reflects what Cosentino is doing at the moment towards that path. Index is an exhibition that has been around for more than 3 decades, so the credibility and the support and the database and everything is there, no? But at the same time, Index is not only an exhibition, it's a platform, it's a marketing platform that really supports us 360 throughout the process of the days of the exhibition and also throughout the year, which is very important for us to keep our brand alive within the design industry.
Hello, my name is Carla Conte and I'm the founder and creative director at Brand Creative. When Cosentino approached us, they mentioned that they had a collection called Sunlit Days from Silestone that they really wanted to feature within our installation. So we went back into the storytelling and the narrative of the product itself. And of course, with us, what we always want to do is kind of show human connectivity between product and life. So we entitled the concept Rays of Light, and that is again to coincide with the sunlit days. At Brand Creative, we really design each project with strategy in mind first. As a team, we sat together and talked about Cosentino as a brand, what they stand for, beautiful surfaces, textures, and especially this particular one, which is a focus on sustainability and knowing that the company wants to do this going forward. We're going to be infusing some of these technologies where you can actually smell the different parts of the Mediterranean as well. That kind of all combines into a process that for us tells the exact same story that they wanted to convey.
I'm Abu Khalil, Regional Director, Middle East and India at Cosentino SA. So the installation features our first Silestone carbon neutral and sustainable collections integrated in a portal where the visitors of the show will be able to walk through and experience it. Our material will be contrasted and complemented with other materials such as chrome, steel, natural materials and textures. Ray of Light is a sensorial immersive experience envisioned by Brand Creative. We were the first in the industry to jump into online events. We had a city that was buzzing with events, 7 to 8 events a month, hosting panel discussions, round tables, and it's all around the A&D community to bring content and value to the industry. And we cannot be quiet, and she said I cannot be quiet about that. So at that time we used the online events as a tool to work around a certain situation. Today is not the same situation. We're in a different phase, and I believe the audience are hungry to go back to face, because with online we lose something very important, is the engagement with the audience, looking into people's eyes. So face are far more impactful than online. Hi, I'm Abu Khalil, Regional Director at Cosentino. We're very excited to be at Index this year and we really hope to see you there.